Okay, so the reason I'm holding the camera here showing you the green light is that it doesn't turn red, okay? So it clearly doesn't need to charge. I can try doing it. Now, the fan here, it works. So if I unplug it, plug this in there, still doesn't make a difference. Still doesn't show red. If I unplug this, still doesn't turn on. And as you can see, the whole cord is plugged in. There's nothing wrong with the pins.